Hello friends, we will see about tillage today from the course Farm Machinery and Power. We will see which operations are necessary for crop productions. Then we will see what is tillage and its definition. Crop production requires number of operations like seedbed preparation, sowing, fertilizing, spraying, dusting, irrigation, harvesting, threshing. The first operation for the crop production is tillage. So, what is tillage? It is physical or mechanical manipulation of the soil to provide favorable condition for crop production. Another definition of tillage is it is mechanical manipulation of soil which is used to maintain, modify or promote changes in soil structure in an effort to produce more desirable soil environment for plant growth. Objective of tillage. There are different types of objectives of tillage. To obtain deep seed bed suitable for different types of crops, to add more humus and fertility to soil by covering vegetation and manure, to destroy weeds and to prevent their growth, to aerate soil for proper growth of crops, to increase the water holding capacity of soil, to destroy the insects, pests and their breeding places, to leave the surface in a condition to prevent erosion by wind, to increase water holding capacity thereby preserving the soil moisture, precision leveling of land for irrigation and other operations. Classification of tillage. There are main two classifications, primary tillage and secondary tillage. Primary tillage is performed to open up any cultivable land with a view to prepare a seed bed for growing crops are termed as primary tillage. To open up the cultivable land means the operation of plowing. It means that primary tillage is nothing but the operation of plowing. So different types of plows comes under primary tillage implements. So there may be a tractor drawn implements or bullock drawn implements. These types of plows are generally primary tillage implements like MB plow, moldboard plow, disc plow, subsoil plow. It is also called as subsoiler, chisel plow, rotary plow. Rotary plow may be a rotavator. Animal drawn plows are indigenous plow and moldboard plow. These are the figures of country plow which is mostly used in India, and the second is moldboard plow, single bottom moldboard plow. You can see the components of country plow. The wooden handle is there, body to which shoe is the part of this plow, shear point, then rope is there and the pole shaft. In moldboard plow, there is handle, there is beam, there is mold bolt and the shear. So what is secondary tillage? It is lighter and finer operation, means it requires less force to pull the implements perform on the soil after primary tillage but before and after seed placements. So which is the operation which is done before the seed placement, like clod crushing, leveling, which is done before the seed placement, but it is done after the primary tillage. So leveling or the clod crushing is done after plowing or the primary tillage. And after seed placement, you can do the operation of cultivator, harrows, weeders, etc. So the primary tillage is lateral and final operations performed in the soil after primary tillage, but before and after seed placements. And its implements are secondary tillage implements like harrows, hoes, cultivators, clod crushers, land levelers, etc. So rotavator is one implement which comes under primary as well as secondary tillage implement, because rotavator does the operation of plowing, means primary tillage operation, and it also does the operation of clod crushing. It is a secondary tillage operation, so it comes under primary as well as secondary tillage operation. Objective of secondary tillage operations: to pulverize the soil of seed beds in the field, to destroy grasses and weed in the field, to cut crop residues and mix them with soil of the field, to break the big clods and to make the field surface uniform and level. So there are different type of implement which are tractor drawn. It is trailed implement, semi-mounted implements, and mounted implements. So trailed implements is attached to single hitch point by a pin joint. The main body of the implement is supported on ground by wheels. Such implements quickly attached or detached from the tractor. Like harrows. Harrow is a trail type implement. Harrow may be a semi-mounted type of implement also. Rigidly attached to the tractor and has a rear wheels to support part of its weight, and control is very easier. Some types of harrows. Mounted type of implement like plow, seed drill, planter. These are the examples of mounted type implements, which are attached to the tractor with the help of 3-point linkage as an integral part by hydraulically control, and is kept raised during transport. These implements are easy for turning or either. According to the tillage operations, primary tillage implements all plows, indigenous plows, which breaks the hard pan, soil turning plow to cut, pulverize and inverting the soil, mold plow and disc plow are also primary tillage implements. Secondary tillage implements like harrows. Disc harrow, it is a single action, double action, offset, blade harrow. Other types of harrows are guntaka, improved blade harrow, which is another name for guntaka. Triangular harrow is also a secondary tillage implement. Cultivators is also a secondary tillage implement which does the operation of interculturing in standing crops. Cultivator is of two types, rigid type and spring loaded. Hose are there, hand hose or animal drawn hose are also secondary tillage implements. So these are some arrangement of the disc harrow. Single action disc harrow means the line of pull is at the center, and the arrangement of the disc, which is also known as gang. So two gangs are arranged on both sides of the tractor to the left and right. In tandem disc or double action disc harrow, there are pair of two gangs are arranged to either side of the tractor. The line of the pull is at the center of the tractor. Right hand offset or offset disc harrow, in which there are two gangs are arranged one behind the other to either side of the tractor, to the left of the tractor or to the right of the tractor. So this is the figure of blade harrow, which is bullock drawn, popularly known as bucker. It has handle, beam, and the cutting edge or the cutting blade. Then this is also a improved blade harrow, which has different components and used in different regions of the country, which is also known as a guntaka. It is a secondary tillage implement. Triangular harrow, which has spikes, and it is also a secondary tillage implement. Then this is a tractor drawn cultivator. It is a spring loaded cultivator. On the frame, springs are arranged. Each point is there, main frame is there, shovels are there, tines are there. The springs are there, that's why it is called as a spring loaded tractor drawn cultivator, which is also a secondary tillage implement. Then this is the hand hose, means they are manually operated for different types of operation in the field. This is the wheel hoe for cultivating operations, and it is also a secondary tillage implement.